Hi, Molly Tigger here, and this is a quick video. I almost forgot to take a video of this, but I made this altered clothespin, and I'm holding my camera, so I'm sorry if it's shaky. I was inspired by Lydia, I Triple Dog Dare You, and Kim from Kimber Creations, and it's the altered clothespin, and I used a paint stick on mine like Lydia did. I used a napkin on the paint stick, let's see, and I stained the clothespins, let's see if you can see, and I put the flowers and a little lace on them, and I had a little, like a thread, a ribbon buckle, and I put that on there. I put this, instead of wire, I put this, but I don't know how that's going to be. I'll have to see. I'm so sorry. This is a terrible video. I was just sending this out and I had to take it back out because I forgot to do a little video of it. But anyway, so I like the way it came. I just would like a better way of holding it. I was going to put magnet on the back. And I know Kim did the wire. I probably should have done that. It probably would have held sturdy. I may change that. But anyway, so this is my little creation. Thank you, everyone, and have a good day.